Good morning, everyone. I thought I'd film today because I've got quite a bit to do. I've got a few emails I've got to send this morning. I've got to put my desk up. I've got to put an order in. Kovu, you want to help me do that? Count the snacks. Oh, it's disgusting eyes. And then, what else have we got to do? Yeah, I don't know. I've got a long day. I'm going to see the Odyssey later in the cinemas with my friend. But yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm so excited to watch. I think most of the vlogs are going to be just like this because I'm so tired at the minute, like energy-wise. Trying to film and fill up the vending machines at the same time is just, it's too much. It's too much for me. So if you can bear with me for the time being, and I will bring you into the unit. We'll make some money together, and yeah, let's go. Okay, let's see what is on the agenda. Let's see what is on the agenda for today. Right, so I've got to do 3 emails this morning. I've got to put an order in for stock. Then I've got to put my desk up. Then I've got a short form video to film and edit. Sales analysis on a vending machine. I've got to walk over, and I've got to do a little bit more admin, which I can't really say in the video. And then at 5, I'm going to the cinema. So I've already completed all my work that I was meant to be doing until 9:45, and it's only 3 minutes past 9. So I've got like 40 minutes. I've just had a call booked in. Oh jeez, I'm gonna push my day right back. Got a 30-minute call at 9:45. Which was when I was gonna put my order in. So I'm gonna have to move it. So yeah, I've got a call now in between 9, quarter to 10 and 10:15. So I've got a call. I'm such an introvert. Yeah, so I booked that in my calendar so I don't forget. But yeah, so all I've really got to do now is put an order in. So I think I'm going to do that after the call and then my desk. So what I'm going to do now is some of the admin I've got to do this afternoon, because I might as well bring it forward a bit. Same. Little guy snoozing, a bit jealous, not gonna lie to you. I do have my laptop on here. I'm watching Station 19 if you was interested. Yeah, not much to say, to be honest. Isn't right. Okay, my microphone isn't working. I'm really sorry. I've got 2 as well, and both not working at the minute. But I just got off the phone with someone. It was just a business call. And it ran over 15 minutes. Amazing. So I need to have a look at my calendar. That's what my head. I was receiving loads of information. I was giving loads of information. I'm tired. Yeah. So what was I doing? Oh, I've got a new website coming for buying vending machines. You guys can buy vending machines really easily if you're in the UK. Yeah, so I've got a new website coming. This is a secret, only you guys know. So I'm sending all the information over to the website developer. My bloody Wi-Fi is not working. The only thing is I don't have Wi-Fi in this office, which is fine because I use my hotspot and it's absolutely fine. But every time my screen goes off, say if I'm on a call for too long, my screen goes off, my Wi-Fi goes off. I have to keep putting it back on. So yeah. Right, okay, wrong. Right, let's see what we need to do now. I'm cold. It's cold in here today. I don't even know what the temperature is outside. What the fucking time? It's only 18 degrees. I'm freezing. I do have a heater, but I think that's a bit dramatic. Wrong Google account. Okay. Right, so we have had the phone call. That's done. I need to put an order in. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to show you how I put an order in. Can we just talk about this guy? This guy right here. The guy's just full balls out, snoozing and going. Yeah, you woken up. What a geezer. Right, I'm going to try and get my microphone working, and then we'll go in there and put an order in. Right, let's go put an order in. Oh my god, just nearly tripped up and killed myself. I've had to put my phone in there. Just a lot of messages. Right, okay, so it actually doesn't look like there's... I don't know, I feel like we're lacking a lot of stuff, and we've got a lot of stuff of other stuff, so... I don't know, I'm freezing cold. Isn't even... Where's my heater? I might just have to do it. Yeah, it's down there. We'll have to do it. It's freezing in here. Maybe we should call it Anita. Anita the heater. That's very sad. I'm just plugging Anita in, and then after we've done the order, this has got to be put up. Not looking forward to that, to be honest. So yeah, that's going here. Cool. Cool beans. Oh, that's heavy. Anita, you can do it. Eh? Oh. Wait, what? Oh my god. I can't wait to have surgery and then come back and like... I feel like my life's on pause at the minute. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, me and Mum got fed up about my surgery date, so we just booked a flight to Dubrovnik in Croatia at the end of September, which I wasn't going to be able to do. So yeah, good things I guess come from shit. Right, McCoy's tie. This is how I put my order in, by the way. I go McCoy's tie. How many I've got? I've got 3 boxes. Okay, and then I've got cheddar, and then I've got 3 boxes. If anybody's interested in how I run my business, that's what it looks like. So I put McCoy's, Thai, 3, cheddar, 3. It's not very that interesting, to be honest. Flame, we've got 2.5 boxes. We've got a fuckload of salt and vinegar. Damn. S&V, 4 boxes. This is not interesting at all, I'm sorry. But I'm going to put it in for the people that are interested. So you can skip this if you're not. So that's 1 full box of crinklies. 2 full boxes of crinklies. Bam. I feel like I've got no crisp, but I also feel like I've got a lot of crisp. I haven't got a variety, that's what it is. Kettle chips, I've got 1 box. Rough cuts, fucking none of them. Hula hoops, 2 boxes. Hula, 2. Also, I've got new shoes. I don't know if I've shown them in the last video. I've got warehouse slippers. Got to do with it. Yeah, cool. Right, anyway, sorry, I got distracted. Cheddars, 3 cheddars. 3 boxes. Is that all the crisp? I'm dumb. No, it's not. I don't know if you've seen these. Did I show them in the last video? These new vending machine Pringles. They're specifically made for vending machines. I think they're really cool. They sell really well. I can charge like £1.50 on them. It's crazy. Pringles. Ready. Solid. We've got one, I'd say 0.75 a box. I'm going to do the same thing for the chocolate. I'm not going to keep yapping because it'll bore you. I currently have a puppy that wants to play football. Okay, so we're going to do what Kobe wants. Look at the feeds. I love him so much. I've just turned the heater off. I've finished my thing, so we're going to put the order on together. I knew I'd come back to my phone and it'd be fucking... Never ends. When I go away for that week to Croatia, no one's going to hear of me. No one. I'm turning everything off. Besides my dad, because he's going to be running the business. Has anybody seen a cuter puppy than this man? And he's not really a puppy, he's only 6. Well, actually, 7 in February, Baba. I know. Don't get old, you're going to make me cry. I love him. Oh. I love you. No, not licking my snout. Right, let's get some work done, lad. Do you kind of wanna, does Kovu want a snack? You want a snack? Yeah, of course you want a snack. Shall we show them all your tricks? High five. Ah. Good? Another one? Good luck. What do you want to do? Do you want to do some accounting? Do you want to do some sorting? Do you want to do some emailing? Do you want to give me a kiss? Oh, it's so cute. I could just sit here, see this part of his face. Cuteness aggressions. Right, anyway, got distracted by the dog. I'm glad you guys are still watching these videos. I know they're not as entertaining as me collecting cash from vending machines, but I kind of want to show you my life. And my life isn't always collecting cash from vending machines. It's actually only once a month I do that. So the other 30, 29, 28 days that you're getting, you're not getting out. So I want to show you what it's like to actually run a business. What's happening? There we go. Right, let's put an order in. First things first, we're ordering Pringles. Oh, grumpy. 2 delivered 18 days ago. Alright, so how many have we gone for? We've gone, okay, we'll order 2 more. It is 12:25 and I've just put the order in. I got really carried away. I was like adding new things in because I like to keep my customers, happy. I don't want to get them bored of the same products all the time, so I did some new stuff. The order came to a total of £1,963.70, which is fine. It's kind of on the lower end to what I normally spend. I normally spend around the 3,000 mark. So yeah, that'll be coming on Tuesday. Right, okay, so I've got all the screws in here. I had to get them delivered by IKEA because I lost them all. I just want to preference this little section with a bit of a rant. The reason why I've made a course is because imagine how many messages I get per day about starting a vending machine business, right? Now, if I answered every single one of those questions, it would take me all day, right? Because there's not just one question. There's a question, you answer it. There's a follow-up question, you answer that. There's a follow-up question after that. And it goes on for a very long time. And I get hundreds of them a day. 9 times out of 10, probably 99.9% of the time, the person I give the answer to is not going to do anything with it, alright? Just want the free information, see if it's alright for them, and then they go on the way. Now, that's hours and hours out of my life that I am spending teaching people that do nothing with the information. Sound like a broken record, so that is why I made a course. I have 2 options. I have 3 options actually. The first option, you don't have to do it. I'm not shoving my course down your throat. You do not have to do it. The second option is the do-it-yourself option. And I'm not here to sell this to you. I'm here to tell you to don't message me, either do these 3 options, right? The second option, £350, you get the do-it-yourself course. You can go through all the information yourself. That's it. You don't have any interaction with me. The third option is the most expensive one. It's 1.5k, okay? You get the course, you get weekly calls with me, you get another weekly call with your team that I put you in. You get a massive networking group, okay? That's why it's 1.5, because it's worth it. I mean, I do have a 4th option where you can do a 1-to-1, 3-month coaching with me, where you have me 1-to-1 for 3 months, and that's £4,000. But most people can't spend that, so that's why there's 4 options. There's the one where you don't have to do anything at all. If you don't want to pay it, that's fine. Doors there. The second one, $350. Do it yourself. Third option, join my community and my coaching. And the 4th one is we work together 1-to-1 for 3 months, and then you jump into the coaching one for free after that. So yeah, I mean, I'm just sick of seeing the same comments, the same DMs, asking me the same questions, and it's just exhausting. Okay? If you really wanted the information, you would, one, pay for it, two, you would go through all my YouTube videos first, get all the information you can from that, and then whatever you can't, you will probably get from the course, or you will get from the course. But yeah, sorry, there was just this guy that said he wanted to buy a vending machine off me, gave him all the prices and everything, and then he aired me, so I followed up with him, and then he was like asking me a ton of questions about bank accounts, just all the questions that, I feel like he just wanted to get into a conversation with me, so then asked me a ton of questions, and I'm not having it anymore. I'm honestly sick of it. If you want to buy a vending machine off me, that's what the new website's for. But yeah, I'm just sick of people like rinsing information from me and then doing nothing with it, and I've just wasted my time. Anyway, on a lighter note, let's get this desk up and running. Alright, I've got a drill. So yeah, let's get this done. I got it. Oh shit. This is my desk. Okay, if you wanted to know what desk I use for my shipping, this one. Alright, let's go in there and do it. Hello guys, it is now a few days later. I last filmed on Friday. It is now Monday, I think. Yeah, it's Monday, sorry. I didn't do anything this weekend besides yesterday. I just sat in bed all day and watched films because my head was not good. Keep waking up and feeling really sick, which isn't nice at all. It's just another symptom though, so I've got to get used to it. I've got sickness tablets, thank God. But yeah, so today, I don't know how long I'm going to spend here because my head is pounding. But I need to start pumping out some content. I've not uploaded in at least 6 weeks. So yeah, I need to start pumping out some content. I think that's what I'm going to prioritise today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end this vlog here, and then we're going to start a new vlog for you, okay? Because I just feel like last vlog wasn't ended properly, and I've got really nothing much more to say for it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed part 2 of Day in the Life of a Future Millionaire, and yeah, stick around. I'm sorry these vlogs are a little bit messy. I'm trying to make them as real as possible, but yeah, I'm gonna stop recording, charge this for a bit, and then jump back on the recording. So I'll still be here.